Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Down sound recording artist Diani has dropped a new single dubbed Vengeance. The track was released on Friday and has been well received since hitting the scene. A private launch event was recently held at Janga's sound bar for the project. The launch saw key industry players, renowned music producers, comedians, fellow artists and members of Diani's management team showing their support for the reggae artist. The private launch also boasted a video premiere along with a performance from Diani. In an interview with E-Prime, he shared the inspiration behind Vengeance.
Vengeance. The song represents day-to-day life, real-life drama, simple situation. So that's how the song was created, from real-life experience and also as from bridging experience and reasoning, isn't it?
Diani's breakout single Heaven Telegram was released back in January.
There's so much words that I can't say, but me good and okay. Wish me did realize the signs, but me sorry say me run out of time.
Heaven Telegram is featured on his latest mixtape that was released back in June. The project features the singles Labor Day, Bakery and Entrepreneur, among others. Now, Carnival revelers were once again left disappointed after Trinidad Carnival for the 2021 season was cancelled. Trinidadian Prime Minister Dr. Keith Rowley announced earlier this week that he sees no future for Carnival in Trinidad in the coming months. The announcement was made at the Spotlight on the Economy Forum on Monday. During the forum, he also stated that unless there is a drastic change in December, Carnival will not be on. The Twin Island Republic has seen over 4,300 COVID-19 cases and over 70 related deaths. Trinidad Carnival 2021 related activities is normally scheduled for February every year. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.